Alright, let's check out our progress on our investor reno in Toronto. Got the microwave installed today so we can finish up the backsplash. All the cabinets are in, plumbing's connected. Our bathroom is complete other than a couple of touch-ups. The shower glass just got installed. Plumber finished up. We chose some mood lights throughout as well. So this, you just toggle the switch and it goes into a dimmable feature. And we got our laundry, a cabinet for storage and a shelf. Got our living room / dining room, or you can just make it a living room. This room here also has a nice feature with the pod lights. Look really nice at night. Go into bedroom 1. Also has the same type of light. And our closet rod and shelf in. Going down our hallway to our front bedroom. Closet rod and shelf is completed. In the entry we installed this nice IKEA large wardrobe, custom fitted in. It just fit. And it's got a closet rod there for hanging coats and stuff. And a few drawers. It's a really nice unit. And we got our flooring installed today at the entrance. Just got to trim out with base and shoe molding, some quarter round at the stair stringer on the left side, and finish up with some paint touch-ups throughout, and then do a final cleaning. So stay tuned for the final reveal.